Hey you guys, what is up? The Rocky Mountain Fan Man here, and welcome back. And today we have this S.M.C Emperor ceiling fan from December of 1982. I got this from a house in Fort Collins, Colorado. I was on Marketplace one day. I was over at another fan collector's house, and it got listed, and I was like, oh my gosh, like something very cool, and I want it. It has a floral globe. I just don't know where it's at, so I have this one on it for now. But I got it out of the house, and I paid 20 bucks for it. There was more fans in the house. I can't remember the address or anything. I'll have to look it up and see if I can find it again. But yeah, I got this fan because I thought it was really cool, but this is going to another fan collector, as he is trading me a 4-blade 36-inch Caribbean Breeze wood blade, but it's missing the blades. It needs a whole repaint. It's just going to get restored by me, so I'm going to do my best with it. But yeah, this is just a little demonstration of this. So we'll start with the light. The light pull chain has also been replaced. The pull chain up there is silver, but you can't really tell. I'm not doing a tripod this video just because I don't want to set it all up. But yeah, I want to keep this fan, but they're not super rare. I can find another one exactly like this, either new in box or in better shape than this one. This one isn't in the best shape. One of the blades is completely bent. I think it's that one. Completely bent to the left. Or is it that one? It's that one. It's out of clock. So, yeah. And it's even got the original S.M.C fobs that look like Oreos. Here's low. So yeah, this is supposed to be going to another fan collector. I don't know when, but here in the next few months, it's just going to another collector. Sorry, my mom called me. And we'll go up to medium. See, it starts to wobble. And it's got the cool small ball mount in the small canopy. But yeah, this is supposed to go to another collector. We have a deal for it, which is that Caribbean Breeze. But if everything goes accordingly, I will be getting the Caribbean Breeze. But if plans change, I'll be keeping this. And it's even blowing down hot air because heat rises up there and high. This is where it wobbles the most. Definitely a very powerful fan. It does slow down really fast. You can even tell what blade is out of clock. It's that one right there. The one that's right there. Bearings are fine. It just has a really really fast spin down. It doesn't have any bearing noise. And SMCs are known to have bad bearings sometimes, so I don't know why it has such a fast spin down. Sorry about that, my mom came out here. Alrighty. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.